Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming firmware and account access. Make sure your Xbox Series S is on the latest system update, and you're signed into the Microsoft account used for Xbox Insider or Developer Access. Next, enable Developer Mode or join the Insider Ring if the emulator build is distributed that way. This unlocks sideloading or preview installs. Once done, connect a fast external 1 TB plus SSD via USB-C and ensure it's formatted for Xbox. These steps let you receive, store, and test the emulator. Now you install and configure. Download the official emulator package from the Insider or Developer portal and verify the file signature before transfer. Use Developer Mode to sideload the apps or XVD package through the device portal or the console's sideload tool. Follow prompts to accept permissions and set target storage to the external SSD for speed. After installation, configure controller mapping, audio, and video settings inside the emulator. Make sure storage and permissions are set so games can access save files and DLC. Finish by testing a single compatible Xbox 360 title to validate performance and saves. Launch the game, observe frame pacing, and check audio sync. If things look good, migrate additional titles and enable cloud saves where available. If you encounter instability, update the emulator and game files, clear the console cache, and reboot the Series S. This resolves many issues. If crashes persist, reinstall the package from a verified build or switch to a different Insider channel. Contacting Xbox support or the dev portal for logs is the last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.